Hi, today I've read the Oppo A17 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and then in the search pool, let's enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, click here to open the app, tap to yes I agree and pick close. After that, click to OK on the left down corner and we can see here the information about our battery temperature. In my case that's 32 and 4 degrees. Also, we can see here more information like the battery health level, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.